Oh hey guys, Autumn from Zappos here, and I'm not trying to be a little crabby or anything because I'm fine. This one though, I mean you can't ever tell, right? But this one's name is Cradonia from ALDO. We're gonna take a look. It's kind of hard to be crabby when you have a cute bag like this, but if maybe you know someone who's pretty crabby or you're crabby yourself and you want to let that shine, this is the bag for you. Look how cute this bag is. It's made of a durable polyurethane. It's got little cute stone stud detailings for his eyes, those cute little hands. My favorite part is the back because you have this contrasting piece of gingham print for the slip pocket. It shows off the signature logo there too. You've got the crossbody strap on the opposite side. It has more of that fun print. Let's see, some chain detail at the end for that. There is a full zipper. So when we unzip that, the inside is actually pretty nice and roomy, and you've got more of that cute gingham print on the inside. The opposite side has a slip pocket that's roomy, but then you've also got this back wall zipper pocket too to kind of keep things out of the way. The bottom is nice and sturdy as well, so that way you can keep standing up and saying hello to people. So whether you're crabby or not, I think this little guy will make you happy either way. It's from ALDO.